If you need to connect your Stripe account to Gumroad, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily. So let's jump straight in. All right, so we start our journey right here at this page. That's gumroad.com, and you want to either log in or sign up, and you're going to go to the right-hand side, look for dashboard, and ultimately you can type in gumroad.com/dashboard, and you'll get here. We are going onto the left-hand side. We're going to go all the way down. We're going to look for settings. Once we're in settings, we'll be able to manage everything about our Gumroad account. Okay, so right over here, we can see at the top there's a ribbon, and you want to look for payments. Now, your payments page will look like this. We're going to go down, and you can see you can change your payout schedule, and then we're going to go down, and here under payment method, you want to go and add a valid bank account. Now, once you've added a valid bank account, and only once you have added a valid bank account, you can add third-party payment methods. So here, you'll be able to go down once this has been added and this page has been refreshed. You'll actually see the Stripe banner right over here. You'll have a button. You can click that, and you can quite simply add your Stripe account to your Gumroad account and receive payments directly.